Picture a plain blue link on page 1, next to a competitor with reviews, hours, and a clear call to action. Which one do you click? Welcome to the Think It Media podcast. I'm Ron, and in the next 10 minutes, we'll show 5 structured data changes you can test this week to lift CTR and bring better leads.
Love that image. I hear you. Schema isn't a checkbox. It's signal design. Today, I'll map the low dev paths, plugins, copy-paste JSON LD, and editor-friendly templates so teams can ship without long dev cycles.
Perfect. Quick promise to listeners, by the time we're done, you'll have 5 concrete schema patterns and a simple way to test each. No guesswork.
Right, and I'll show the low dev paths.
We'll stick to CMS plugins, copy-paste JSON LD, or tiny template tweaks. Let's jump in. Immediate 10-minute task. Pick your top converting service page. Paste this offer schema JSON LD snippet. We'll link it. Validate in rich results test and tag the page with $utm.source.schema.test. Then check CTR in Search Console and sessions/conversions in GA4 after 7 days.
First practical pattern. For small businesses, local business plus opening hours and service markup is a direct win. Add it to contact and service pages, and you get hours, a pin, and service snippets and results.
Wait, do you recommend applying that across every location page or just priority stores?
Priority stores first. Test a handful, measure calls, then scale. Implementation-wise, most CMSs have local schema plugins, or you can paste a single JSON LD snippet into your footer template and swap variables per location. Keeps it low friction.
Right, and make it measurable. Tag schema-enabled pages with a UTM, like utm.source.schematest, and set a GA4 event like schematest.lead for calls or bookings. A clinic we worked with standardized opening hours across 20 pages and saw a 15% uptick in calls. Not magic, just clearer results in search.
Next up, FAQs. Use FAQ page or QA page schema only where visitors actually ask the questions. Stop stuffing FAQs for SEO alone, please. When used well, FAQs take vertical space and answer friction points before someone arrives.
I'm not sure I buy the every page needs FAQ approach. Too often it brings irrelevant traffic. The rule should be prioritize pages tied to conversion intent, pricing, service details, checkout help, and test. If CTR improves but conversions fall, pull it back.
Totally agree. Quality over quantity. Quick implementation tip, create a single JSON LD FAQ template and populate it with CMS variables so editors add validated FAQs without touching code.
Pattern 3, product or offer markup with aggregate rating is powerful for service pages that list packages. Stars in the SERP build trust and lift CTR, but only if the ratings are real.
Practical path, add offer schema for price ranges and availability. Use aggregate rating only when you have genuine reviews. Don't fake it. Capture reviews with a lightweight module or third-party widget, then expose them via structured data. Always validate with Google's rich results test before going live.
Pattern 4, how-to and step schema is underrated. Short, action-oriented steps earn compact, rich results that pull in problem-driven users who are closer to conversion. Use these as micro-guides that funnel into a lead magnet or a booking CTA.
A quick build, publish a 3 to 5 step quick fix article, mark it up with how-to JSON LD, then gate a downloadable checklist behind an email capture or place a small consult CTA at the end. The snippet wins attention. The CTA captures intent.
Pattern 5, events and appointments. Event or appointment schema plus speakable snippets for brief audio highlights can drive webinar signups and consults. Use calendar links and UTMs so registrations map back to search-driven traffic.
Validate events carefully. Dates, availability, and location fields must be correct, or you'll confuse users and trigger manual actions. For speakable highlights, keep the text short and punchy. A 20, 30-word audio-ready blurb works best.
Quick checklist you can run this week. 1. Prioritize pages by conversion intent. 2. Pick a pattern per page. 3. Implement via plugin or paste JSON LD templates. 4. Validate with rich results test. 5. Tag pages with UTMs and GA4 events so CTR lifts map to real conversions. Pilot small, measure, then scale.
Measurement specifics, track impressions and CTR in Search Console. Create a GA4 event called Schema Test Lead for form submits or bookings, and use $UTM_source equals schema test on your test pages. If you get weird traffic, tweak or remove the markup. Validate, test, iterate.
How ThinkIt Media helps. We run lightweight audits that map your pages to those 5 patterns, deliver plug-and-play JSON LD snippets or plugin setups, and run a short pilot to validate impact. No long contracts, just measurable milestones and reporting.
From delivery, we hand over an editor-friendly template, a validation checklist, and the small analytics wiring so your team can keep Schema healthy. If you need help building the template or tagging events, we jump in and make it low friction.
One honest friction before we close. Schema isn't a silver bullet. If your pages are confusing or CTA's weak, markup won't magically convert. Fix page experience first, then amplify the winners with Schema so your tests show real gains.
Couldn't agree more. Small pilot, real validation, then scale what moves metrics. If you want one immediate task, pick your highest intent page, add one pattern we discussed, validate, tag with $UTM source equals schema test, and check results in 7 days. You'll learn more from that than 1,000 articles.
Let's talk about this. If you enjoyed this playbook, subscribe for concise, actionable episodes like this one. And if you want hands-on help, reach out. We make Schema work without long contracts. We appreciate you listening and hope to have you back for our next episode.